Good morning, children. This is Shashi here, and today we are going to study maths, exercise 2, chapter 3, exercise 2. In exercise 2, yesterday I discussed about division, and I have given you homework question number A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, but still I would like to discuss few questions. So we'll discuss question number 1B. Okay, what is given here? 67,000 divided by 35. So we'll divide it here. Okay, so we'll take 67,000 divided by how much? 35. Okay, so 35 if we'll multiply 2 times, 35 if we'll multiply 2 times, then how much we'll get? 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6 and 1 7, 70. We are getting 70, but here it is how much? 67, less than 70. So we cannot take 2 times because it is becoming more than 67, that is 70. Okay, so we have to take less. So 2 times we cannot take, we have to take 1 time. Okay, so we'll take just 1 times. So 35 1 jar. 35 1 jar, how much we'll get? 35 1 jar 35 only. Now we have to subtract it. 7 minus 5 will get 2, and 6 minus 3, how much we'll get? We'll get 3. Okay, now this 0 will now come down. Okay, so we'll get here 0. Now it will become 320. Now 35, in the table of 35, do we get 320? We don't get. So we'll multiply. 35 we cannot multiply 10 times, because in multiplying 10 times we'll get 350, which is more than 320. So we'll take less than 10 times, that is we'll take 9 times. Okay, so we'll take 9 times and we'll multiply and see whether it is coming or not. So 9 5 is 45, and 9 3 is 27, and 4 carried 31. So how much we are getting? 315 we are getting. Okay, so we'll write here 315. Now subtract it. 10 minus 0, from 0 we cannot subtract, so it will borrow. It will become 10. 10 minus 5 5. Now here 1 is left. 1 minus 1 0. 3 minus 3 0 5. Now this 0 will come down. Okay, this 0 will come down. It will become 50. Got it? Now 35, here it is 35 and here it is 50. So we can take 1 times. So 35 1 is 35. Okay, 1 times we have taken. Now how much we will get? 10 minus 5, 5 will get. Here 4 is left. 4 minus 3, 1 will get. Now this 0 will come down. Okay, this 0 will come down. It will become 150. Now we'll see 150. Does it come in table of 35? So we'll multiply 35 into 4. 4 5 is 20, 4 3 is 12, and 2. 12 and 2. 4 5 is 20, 2 carried, and 4 3 is 12, 2 14. Okay, so how much we are getting? 140 we are getting. So we'll write here how much? 140. In how many times? How many times we are getting? So we'll get 140 after multiplying by how much? After multiplying by 4. So here remainder we are getting 10. So if we are dividing 67,000 by 35, quotient we are getting 1914 and remainder we are getting 10. Okay, so quotient we are getting how much? 1914 and remainder we are getting 10. So this is your division. Got it? Now come to another question, that is question number E. 62,032 divided by 56. Okay, So we'll divide this part. 62,032. We have to divide it by how much? We have to divide it by 56. Okay. So 56, 2-digit number. Here we'll take 2-digit number. It is more than 56. So we'll take 1 times. Got it? We'll take 1 times. So 1 times how much we'll get? 56 ones are 56. Now subtract it. 12 minus 6 will get here 6, and here we'll get 0. Now this 0 will now come down. Okay, so it will become 60. Again 56, here we are getting 56, and here we are getting 60. Okay, so we can take 1 time, isn't it? So 56 ones are 56 will take. Got it? Now 10 minus 6 4, and here we'll get 0. Now this 3 will come down. This 3 will now come down. Okay, it will become 43. Now here it is 56, and here it is 43. Now this 43 is less than 56. So what we have to do? 56, if we take 1 times also, it will become greater than 43. 56 is greater than 43. So in 1 times also it will become greater. So what we have to do? We have to bring another digit 2. But for bringing another digit 2, what we have to do? We have to put here 0. Then only we can bring this number. Got it? So we'll bring this number. So now we'll put here 0, and this 2 will come down. Okay, so this 2 will come down. It will become 432. Now 56, and here it is 432. So 56 we have to multiply by how much? 8 times. 8 6 is 48, 8 5 is 40, and 4 44. It is becoming 448, which is more than 432. So what we have to do? We have to take 7 times, because in 8 times we are getting more. So we will take 56 into 7. So 7 6 is 42, 4 carried, 7 5 is 35, and 4 39. So we will get 392 here. Okay, so how many times? 7 times. So 7 times we are getting 392. Now 2 minus 2 0, 13 minus 9 4. Okay, and here we will get 0. Now remainder we are getting less than the divisor, so your division will be up to here only. Got it? I hope this is clear to you. Now we'll do question number G. 53,960 divided by 41. So we'll divide it. Now here it is 53. Okay, so 41 1 times we'll get 41. Now 3 minus 1 will get 2, 5 minus 4 will get 1. Okay, now this 9 will come down. So here we'll get 9. Now how many times we have to multiply? 41 3 times. If you'll multiply 3 times, 41 into 3, if you'll multiply 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12. Okay, 123 we are getting less than 129. Okay, so we'll take 3 times. How much we'll get? 123. Now subtract it. 9 minus 3 6. This 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, now after 9 this 6 will come down. isn't it? This 6 will come down. So how much it is becoming? It is becoming 66. Okay. So we'll take 1 times. So 41 1. 6 minus 1 5 and 6 minus 4 2. 25 we are getting. Okay. Now this 0 will come down. So how much we'll get? 250. Okay. Now how many times we will have to take so that we'll get less than 250 or exactly 250? So we'll multiply and see 41 how many times? 4 times, 6 times. 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24. 246 we are getting. So we'll take 4 times. So how much we'll get? How much we'll get here? 246. Now subtract it. 10 minus 6 4 and here 0, here 0. So how much we are getting overall? Quotient we are getting 1314 and remainder we are getting just 4. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you how we have to divide. Okay, so rest of the questions you will try on your own, and tomorrow we'll do statement question number 2 and 3. Got it? So see you tomorrow in the next class. This question number 2 and 3 we'll see tomorrow. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.